Vision fitness bikes are designed to be smooth, quiet, and comfortable. The 2009 bike lineup will have a different look with sharp new colors on all our bikes. There will be 5 frame options available in 2009, 3 semi-recumbent bikes, and 2 upright bike frames. Each of these 5 frames will be compatible with the 3 new consoles in our console swap program. Some key features which can be found on all Vision Fitness home bike frames are our front transport wheels, which allow for easy movement of the bikes, premium sealed roller bearings, which ensure smooth and quiet operation, handlebars with contact heart rate sensors, our Comfort Arc seats, which are considered the most comfortable seats in the industry, and 3-piece cranks, which provide increased durability and a smooth feel. These bikes, the R1500 semi-recumbent and E1500 upright, are our entry-level semi-recumbent and upright exercise bikes. However, they are still loaded with great features. They use an ECB magnetic resistance system with a 21-pound flywheel and a super silent poly V-belt to create a durable drive system that offers smooth resistance changes. Our R2050 semi-recumbent bike has the same great features as our R1500, but also offers our popular step-through feature, making it easier to get on and off the bike. It also uses a heavier gauge steel in its frame and has a longer seat rail length, like our R2250. The R2250 and E3200 are our top-of-the-line semi-recumbent and upright bike frames. They use our ECB Plus magnetic resistance system and a larger 24-pound flywheel for the smoothest possible resistance changes. These bikes also use our Quiet Glide drive system with a larger 8-rib poly V-belt, resulting in a longer drive system lifespan. Our E3200 upright bike has our multi-position handlebars with armrests for added comfort, while the R2250 offers a reclining mesh seat that keeps users cool when exercising. The aluminum seat rail used on the R2250 allows for smooth and effortless seat adjustments. The big change to the Vision Fitness bike product lineup this year is the console swap program. There are 3 consoles in this program, the Simple, Deluxe, and Premier consoles, each of which can be used on any of the 5 home bike frames. This allows you to offer your customers 15 different frame console combinations. This program allows your customers to select their ideal frame console combination to generate their ideal fitness bike. All Vision Fitness bike consoles feature a quick start button allowing users to simply press and start exercising. They also have resistance level, RPM, time, distance, heart rate, calories, and watts readouts. For someone who enjoys reading during their workout, each console has an integrated reading rack, and the easy-to-read LCDs with program profile displays and preset programs are visually appealing. Our Simple console comes with 7 preset programs and provides several important pieces of exercise feedback, including heart rate from the contact heart rate grips. The Simple console offers 16 levels of resistance, and if all your customers need is standard feedback, this is the console for them. Our Deluxe console is for the customer who wants more specialized programming but doesn't need all of the bells and whistles. This console features a blue backlit LCD display that provides more exercise feedback, such as speed, METs, and % max heart rate, and has a scrolling message bar that provides instructions and feedback during each program in its setup. The Deluxe console offers 20 levels of resistance. Lastly, its reading rack has an MP3 holder so users can easily access their music while working out. Our Premier console has all the features of the Deluxe and more. It has 18 programs, including 5 custom user programs, 3 interactive heart rate programs, 3 goal programs, and, like the Deluxe, our exclusive Sprint 8 anaerobic workout. It is equipped with a telemetric heart rate chest strap, which allows you to monitor your heart rate without having to hold the contact heart rate grips. Important exercise feedback is displayed in 3 easy-to-read, individual upper feedback windows.